Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Danielle here, and before we get started with today's mystery unboxing vid, can we just talk about how so many of you guys know or are or live near Visalia, and that's where I just came from literally yesterday. And so it just makes me so happy that you guys are familiar with places that I grew up thrifting at. So the thrift haul video from the Central Valley is coming soon, but today we are unboxing a mystery bundle from GOODFAIR. Let's talk about GOODFAIR because I didn't hear about them until I saw Alexa Sunshine 83's video, and I was like, ooh, girl. So I wanted to give it a little try for myself, see if it was worth it, because they offer a crap ton of bundles, different types of styles, different silhouettes. And so pretty much GOODFAIR is an online thrift store. They're doing their part, and they believe in sustainability and keeping clothes out of the landfill. So all of the clothes that are included in their bundles are being saved from sitting in landfills. Totally love their mission and everything that they stand behind. So I wanted to give a few mystery boxes a try. So I have one here and I have two different bundles inside. Okay, so I'm gonna take you over to their website right now. We're on their homepage, and they do have their mission on here, so we'll read that real quickly. But it says that their mission is to reverse consumerism and negative effects it has on the planet. Every piece of clothing we sell has been scheduled for the landfill, that is, until we step in and reintroduce it to the consumer cycle. So absolutely love that. But let's get into the juicy part and see all of the mystery bundles that they offer. What's pretty awesome about GOODFAIR too is that they offer both men and women's wear. Let's take a look at their bundles. I see something that says back to school bundle. It has a few hoodies, the mega chiller bundle for 85 bucks, and it looks like it comes with a crap ton of stuff. Mother Earth bundle, which has flannels, not necessarily my cup of tea. Let's see. They have a Cure Corona bundle, super funny, probably like loungewear stuff to wear at home. No Boys Allowed bundle. Clickbait bundle, comfy, cozy bundle, that sounds nice. And what I really like about this too is the fact that their prices are decent. Y'all know that I'm a cheapskate and I don't like spending a certain dollar amount on either tops or bottoms, but for bundles you are also paying for the convenience of someone pulling pieces for you and the fact that it has a little fun mystery part to it, but they're not like overpricing, which I absolutely love. But you can definitely see that they have a lot more casual wear. So you'll see sweaters and t-shirts, crew necks, and their website is pretty easy to navigate, so really like that. If you're interested in a mystery bundle, I will leave their links down below. But let's get started with my mystery bundle. The two bundles that I ended up walking away with, I'll put a picture right here, are the pre-loved mystery pullover windbreaker light jacket, and you get a couple of them for $25. You guys, that is pretty awesome, because if you look these up on Depop, they do range anywhere between like $40 to $60, $80, and that gets pretty pricey. But then again, you don't know which items they pull, so we shall see. The second bundle that should be included are ladies lounge tops. So you guys, who knows what I've got, but let's open this up. Okay guys, let's open this up. I got some scissors right here, super stoked. Okay, let's see. Ooh. And then same with last time, I'll show you guys inside the box before I take a look. Hopefully I don't take like a little peek, but we shall see. Oh, come on. Come on. Okay. Oh, I see a lot of color. Love that. I see a pink. I love pink. Okay, and a few dark colors. Okay, let's start pulling. So the ones that I was most excited about are those light windbreakers. And let's see, this first one here has a really weird color combo actually. So we have like this mint color at the top, and then on the back, it's color blocked with a maroon or like burgundy color. One thing I will say is that it's packaged nicely, everything's folded, but girl, these are wrinkly. Okay, pretty cool. Honestly, I was expecting to get men's pullovers just because I do like that oversized fit a lot more, and I have one in specific that I thrifted, and it cost me about like $7 or $8 at Goodwill, and I had it where I have all my Depop inventory, and I let my little naughtykins come in and chill with me. Didn't know what she was doing. When I went to go check on her, I was noticing that she was like digging and biting at something, and she had torn apart the cuffs from my favorite pullover sweater, so I was so upset. So I was hoping one of these pieces would be a good replacement for it. Definitely is a bit more athletic, so maybe for a light run. It's super hot right now to wear, but you know, fall is creeping up. It should be coming soon, so that'll be good for that. Oh my gosh, this next piece is the exact replacement for that sweater that I was talking about, because it literally looks just like this, but in like a darker green. You guys, I love this. Love, love, love this. Okay, let's see. What does it say? It has a patch that says Botkin's Cheerleading. Okay, love that. I love the little varsity stripes on the V-neck. We have elasticized cuffs, elasticized hem with a draw cord actually to adjust to your waist size. And then it has a zipper vent. Ooh, love, love this. And even though I don't like dark colors, the black I'm actually okay with, just because you compare with so many outfits and so many other colors. Yes, I'm obsessed with this. Love it so much. You know, I'm not a fan of cheerleading, but you know what? That's cool. Okay, oh my gosh, what is this? Okay, so it looks like we have a sweater from Rue 21. You guys, look at this. The last time I wore something like this was in high school when I had my hair dyed with 2 red streaks and I was like super into My Chemical Romance and Panic Disco. You know what? Who am I kidding? I still love those bands. But this style, oh my gosh. Honestly, I don't know how I would style this, but I totally appreciate that it's super nostalgic. It's colorful. It's pretty crazy with these prints. I have no idea what I'm gonna do with this, but it's fun. I love it. Okay, but I'll try it out, see what we can come up with. Okay, what is this? Oh my gosh. I love this piece. It's a little dirty. Okay, so let's talk about this stuff. Should I smell it? Things definitely smell like they come from a thrift store, so I don't think they're washed, but that's totally okay. And on this next sweater, let me just tell you that it's a Looney Tunes, so it's super cute. And there is like 2 stains right on the front, but it is this obnoxious yellow sweater with Tweety Bird right on the front. Yo, I love this. This is so freaking cute. And so let me show you those stains. Hopefully they come off when I wash them. Can you guys even see them on camera? Well, I'll show you a close-up in the try-ons, but there's one right there, and then one right next to it. And then as I'm looking at it now, there is a little bit of distressing in the stitch that's coming undone on the back. But you know what? We can have a little distress moment. I'm okay with that. You guys know I'm all about bright colors. Again, this is another nostalgic piece. Anytime I see a paletero outside, I'm running out there, and the first ice cream I always order is a Tweety Bird one. And if it's not Tweety Bird, then it's Bubbles. Oh, I love this. I actually am so obsessed with this. Okay, let's move on to the next piece. I'm super excited. Okay, we've got a pink one here. Another sweater. I'm actually loving crew neck sweaters more and more because I have a sewing machine now. So what I want to do is like cut them in half and then sew them together down the middle for a really like color blocked asymmetrical type look. But this next one here is a pink one. Not sure if that works well with my skin color, but I do love pink. And it says UDA 2015 National Dance Team Championship. Okay, that's pretty cool. And then on the back, we do have a whole bunch of school teams that were part of this national dance thing. So really like that. It is pretty faded, but I love that like rugged, worn look. So really like this actually. And now that I'm spending more time at home, you know, this is perfect to chill into. So love that. Let's see, we're down to our last piece. So we hit the bottom of the box already. Let's see. Here we have a pullover hoodie. It's an Under Armour piece. Yeah, totally Under Armour. Look at that, it's a size medium. You guys can see the tag there. And it's black, it's faded. It does have a front graphic with this like really trippy font that says Under Armour. And they did give me what looks to be all women's wear, but it does have more of an oversized fit. It does have a contrast drawstring hoodie, the graphic on the front. It has raglan sleeves, knit construction, it has ribbed cuffs and a hem. And then again with this piece, it is very faded, but for a grungy, edgy look, you can't go wrong with it. I really like it actually. But surprisingly, this hoodie doesn't have a kangaroo pocket that you would see here on the front. It just has a graphic, this really like cool hood that I think kind of has like a cowl neck look to it. Yeah, you guys see that? Yeah, really like it. Actually not upset at all. Okay, y'all, let's talk final thoughts about this GOODFAIR mystery box because I was pleasantly surprised. I am so happy with most of these sweaters. So let's talk about my favorite of the entire box, which you guys probably already know, but this cheerleading pullover windbreaker. Love, love, love this. This is the exact piece that I was looking to replace my other sweater that my little naughty kids tore apart. So I'm like ecstatic about this. I can't wait to wash it and get wearing it. My second favorite one, you guys, this Looney Tunes one. You can also see that it has the Looney Tunes tag on it. So love this. It's bright, it's bold, it's nostalgic. Yes, love this. Let's talk about the ones that weren't necessarily my favorite. So the one that kind of, you know, was a little disappointing just because it wasn't my cup of tea. The color was there, but the color combo just didn't match my style. And it was this other windbreaker. You know, it would work out for someone who's pretty athletic and needs this when they go out for runs or, you know, light cardio workout. But just for me, I just wouldn't know how to wear it. So this one, not my favorite. The next piece, I don't necessarily hate it. It's just, again, one of those pieces where it would be like, okay, when and where do I wear this? And maybe am I too old for it? And it's this jacket here. I already told you guys, it's super nostalgic. I love that. But I feel like maybe I'm too old for it. This was high school Danielle when she was like into that like emo pop music, wanted to be a skater, and I feel like that ship has sailed. For the price, you guys, I was not disappointed whatsoever, but keep in mind, I don't think that any of the pieces are washed. Some pieces do come a little damaged or have stains here and there. I'm gonna see if those come out, but if not, again, it isn't necessarily an issue for me just because I have a sewing machine, so I'm gonna plan to like maybe crop a few sweaters, cut them in half, try to, you know, thrift flip some of these pieces and salvage them. If you want to check out a bundle for yourself, I will leave the GOODFAIR website link down below in the description box. They have a crap ton of mystery bundles, so I highly recommend just scrolling through them. They have stuff that'll fit your style, your personality, and your budget. That pretty much does it for the end of this GOODFAIR mystery box. Again, if you liked any of the pieces, give this video a big thumbs up. If you guys want to keep up with me throughout the week, I also have an Instagram. I am at Eggie Girl here. I also have a Depop if you guys are interested in any individual sales or my mystery bundles that will be dropping next month on the 5th. I am at Twinell here. As always, I post videos twice a week. I'll see you guys next one. Bye!